As your hobbies and interests keep growing, the stuff on your desk probably becomes more plentiful and messy. But you just need to measure the roof dimensions of these items, do some basic modeling, and then send the model to the 3D printer. Soon, your desk transforms from a flat surface into a 3D space. No matter how many different types of items you have on your desk, they can all have perfectly fitting containers. There are still these cables not put away. Let's organize them by category using the multicolor 3D printing function. Let's make a retro game console. The watch charging cable can be plugged in through a reserved slot. It can usually serve as a decoration. When you want to charge your watch, just place it in the middle. It fits perfectly. The Oreo cable hub also prevents the phone charger from stretching across the entire desk. There's also many cables used only occasionally. Using multicolor printed TPU material, these rarely used cables can be wound onto spools and stored in a box. The tissue box on the desk edge moves around every time you pull a tissue. Printing a Poké Ball tissue box is also a good idea. Small, scattered parts on the desk are hard to manage. By adding another level to the desk, you can utilize vertical space for storage. Different types of pens can be placed in different kinds of creative pen holders. The Snapmaker U1 printer, with its 4 print heads, increases the color switching speed for multicolor printing by several times. Lately, I've been using this machine to print multicolor models more and more freely. Before, every time I printed a single body multicolor model, I had to worry about the time and material waste from filament changes. Now that problem is basically negligible. I began to give priority to looking at the multicolor models that don't need to be printed in separate parts. It's not limited to PLA and PETG for printing materials either. Look, I have these 2 colors of 98 TPU. Before, I had to finish one spool, clean up, then switch the another color and print another spool. How troublesome was that? Now I can print different color TPU directly. Using PLA for supports, both quality and efficiency are high. After printing, it's very easy to remove these supports and you get your soft model. Also, this printed Rayquaza is actually made with glow-in-the-dark material. This card phone stand I printed combines 4 materials. It doesn't just hold a phone, because the material is strong enough. I often use it as a temporary wrench. After doing all this, the tools on my work desk have their dedicated spots, and there's some added fun decoration. Although you can buy all sorts of organizer boxes online, and of course I have many too. These are mostly standard sizes and can't perfectly match your specific desk layout and usage habits. You have to adapt to them. These 3D printed tool organizers only cost a few yuan to make and can be completely personalized. You can freely add labels or combine them with your favorite characters to decorate your box. This kind of personalized sense of achievement and emotion value can't be bought anywhere else.